Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get more points in Microsoft Rewards. 1. Bing searches. Earn 90 points per day by using Bing on a PC. You can also use it on the mobile, and you can earn extra 12 points for using Microsoft Edge, which could cost you could get you monthly total of 5,000 points. 2. Daily sets. Complete the daily set on the Microsoft Rewards dashboard via browser or the Bing app on Xbox. Earn at least 30 points daily with bonuses for consistent completion. 3. Complete an achievement in any Xbox or PC Game Pass game for 5 points each day. 4. Earn from daily streaks. Earn 150 bonus points per week by maintaining a streak, and you can collect 1,000 points when you reach enough puzzle pieces. 5. Daily check-ins. Access the daily check-in on the Bing mobile app for around 100 points per week. And finally, which is occasionally, you may see your read to earn in the Bing mobile app, allowing you to earn 30 points per day by reading Bing news and stories. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.